If you're looking for a Coursera free trial guide, check the description first because I've linked the latest offer there if it's still available. Now, here's what many people don't realize about the Coursera free trial. The free trial isn't just for watching a few lessons. It's designed to let you explore Coursera Plus and see whether the platform is actually worth paying for before committing to a subscription. During the trial period, you can browse thousands of eligible courses, specializations, and professional certificate programs from companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta, along with courses from leading universities. This is especially useful if you're trying to decide between different learning paths. Maybe you're interested in AI, data analytics, digital marketing, cybersecurity, project management, Python, or prompt engineering, but aren't sure which direction to pursue. The best approach is to use the trial to explore the platform, review course content, understand the learning format, and see whether the programs fit your goals. If you decide Coursera is right for you, you can continue learning and work toward earning certificates through an active subscription. If not, you'll at least have a much better understanding of what the platform offers. So if you've been searching for how to use the Coursera free trial, Coursera Plus free trial, Coursera trial guide, or Coursera beginner guide, think of the trial as a risk-free way to evaluate whether the platform matches your learning goals. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.